Hello dear students, today I give a demonstration on how you can fill your enrollment form. First you need to search on Google rjpvdiploma.in. Then site will be open. Open the tab student portal registration. After tap on student portal registration, you can see here student registration. Then read the conditions. Choose academic year. Choose your course diploma pharmacy 2 year institution Devi Ahilya College of Pharmacy Indore. Its code 053 and branch pharmacy. Select course first. Diploma pharmacy 2 year, select. It's your course. Then institute. Institution 053 Devi Ahilya College of Pharmacy Indore. It's on 5th line. Then branch pharmacy P02. Then search option. You can see here your enrollment number with name and father's name and mobile number. Search your name and click on your name. Your registration information is opened and you can see here its basic detail: name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, course name, institute name, branch, address, state, district, mobile number, email ID, pin code, blood group. Then write your username, it's your enrollment number, and create a password. Select your city. It's a basic registration which total paid amount is 225 rupees. Then fill your pin code, blood group, write your username, it's your enrollment number, then create your password. It's a 6-digit number. Create your password in 6-digit number. Then go for payment detail. Choose your payment mode. It's by HDFC Bank or by Union Bank only. After selecting your net banking, pay your fees by your internet banking account. Tap and go. Then candidate registration details are there, terms and condition. Click on last tab box or click box. Then go for online payment option is visible. Then pay your registration fees. It's 225 rupees. I will pay this fees through internet banking. After successful payment, you can save your transaction receipt or fees receipt in your phone. Your transaction receipt is generated, then tap on printer. Your registration process is completed successfully. Then tap on printer and print your fees receipt. If you doing this on your mobile, then save your fees receipt in PDF form. I also save as PDF this receipt in my phone. Create your own folder to save this PDF. To easily search whenever you require this receipt. It's a first step toward enrollment form registration. After student registration, you having a enrollment number and your own password. Your basic registration is completed. After registration, you can log in your student login ID and password. Your login ID is your enrollment number and password you create on student registration portal. Then search rjpvdiploma.in and tap on student login. Then write your username, it's your enrollment number and password, 6-digit password. Then your site will be open or login will be open. Tap on fill enrollment number, then enrollment form will be opened. It's also having a basic detail in English and Hindi. Write basic details on English and Hindi and go through a online transaction detail. It is also having only two options, HDFC Bank Net Banking or Union Bank Net Banking. Pay your fees on online net banking. Then after completing this process, enrollment fees confirmation receipt is generated. It's a second process to enrolling yourself. First registered on student portal, then second on enrollment fees confirmation. Then after you can upload your photo and signature. Then tap on upload photo and signature option. Choose your photo. And then choose your signature and upload it. Then your photo uploaded successfully. You can see here your photo and your signature also. Upload your signature. Then your signature uploaded successfully. This pop-up is shown your portal. Then it's your complete process how you can fill your enrollment